Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: model, firmware, drivers, and network access. Plug the Shadow bot into power and Ethernet. Make sure LEDs indicate boot. Open your SSH client and install the vendor driver or certificate so the host trusts the device. Once done, use your router or the serial console to find the device IP. You need that IP to reach the bot. This first sequence gets authentication and connectivity ready, so you can perform secure configuration next. You now configure the network and harden access. SSH into the Shadow bot using the IP and default credentials. Change the password and create an admin user. Edit network settings to a static IP, verify gateway and DNS, and apply VLAN tags if your environment requires segmentation. Once assigned, update firewall rules so only SSH, HTTPS, and the bot's API port are reachable. These steps reduce accidental exposure and ensure reliable reachability for automation and monitoring later. Finish by installing the latest firmware, rebooting, and verifying that core services start correctly. Inspect logs for errors. Register the Shadow bot with your management console and run functional tests, API calls, telemetry, and command execution, so you confirm end-to-end operation. Make sure backups and monitoring are enabled. If something fails, first check physical connections and IP conflicts. Then review firewall policies and the serial console logs to find boot or authentication errors. That targeted troubleshooting resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.